that you don't judge me. And it's so fucked up that I'm glad to be a junkie. To fall in love, I say I've been afraid. I'm mixing lean with lyrical lemonade.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Todd. Today we're going to do monster trucking. We're going to take my little brother and her little nephew. We're going to see some monster trucks today. Anything to say?
Nope. Just stay tuned for the rest of the video. About to pick up the other nephews and my mama and my stepdad coming with us. So.
Oh yeah, we is right around the corner from the crib. We better go pick them up.
Yeah, we got the kids matching outfits, so we about to be turned out here. They love some trucks and
fast, they love trucks. They got a lot of trucks.
A lot of trucks. All of them. Alright, y'all. Here we is with the other nephews. Say hey, Julian. Say hey, Thomas. Baby in the front. Other nephew, King. Mama coming. Papa Tess coming. So, we about to get ready to go get some food first. Then we on our way out.
Alright, y'all. We back. We here at the PNC Arena. Go in a few with my bubba. Say hey. But it's kind of windy out here. But I'm finna head in a little bit. I think it starts at 7. It's like 6. Probably just hit 6 o'clock. Alright, y'all. We back inside the arena. These are all the kids. You can see the stadium. We're gonna put a little time lapse video of like the monster trucks and stuff. Say hey. But yeah, we're gonna see y'all in a little bit.
Raleigh, Monster Jam was born right here in the USA. We are truly fortunate to live in the greatest nation on earth and celebrate its strengths, freedoms, resilience.
It's halftime right now. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me. It's kind of loud in here. But they about to have a freestyle round after halftime.
Hey, don't be trying to hold my hand. Take my hand away from you.
Auntie Nene being mean right now.
Hey, y'all.
But yeah, they getting the equipment set up right now. Then we're gonna see what they looking like after halftime. Man, I don't know what they got going on, cause that shit fat as hell. Look how skinny that little ramp is. Like, what they about to do? And unless they bringing out dirt bikes or something, but ain't no way that monster truck about to fit on that. Oh, they did bring out the dirt bikes.
They did.
They really did bring them out. Y'all see she tried to cuff me with her fit in my shoes, bro. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We finna end it off right now. I'm finna put some whatever you want to call that, little videos at the end of this. I hope y'all enjoyed it, because I know y'all ain't want to watch me recording no monster trucks. That shit loud as hell. Like, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what other kind of videos y'all want.
I'm not religious, man. I do with the afterlife, but I am not a killer, man. Purple on my crown, chakra, but I'm not a killer, can. Peace above my peers, but I am not for dinner, man. Fuck around and sinning, man. Preach about some therapy, you sweeter than some cinnamon. Honestly, if I just had to trust, I'd be a kid again. Waking up worker, hit the gym again. Muscles getting bigger, but my brain on the kill. I got that green up in my sock. Never in my pockets, cause it's street up on the block. Never talk to preaching, neither or the cops. Never talk to people, yet they sit up on my cock. Stay up in the sun so that I'm freeing up my sock. Ask me about some trauma and some pain, I know a lot. Never had a father, guess he shit like Papa Doc. That's another story, another song, another hook. Listen. So nigga, don't you judge me. I can see the critics of it saying there ain't no time me.
I gotta tell the truth, this the best relationship I ever been in. Whoever thought that I can make this shit?